Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download apps on Fire TV Stick. Alright, let's begin. Start on the Fire TV home screen. Grab your Fire TV remote and press the home button to make sure you are on the main page. From here, you can download apps in two simple ways. First, move to the magnifying glass icon at the top of the screen. This is the Find or Search option. Select it, then open the App Store. Inside the App Store, you can browse apps using the arrow buttons or search for a specific app by name, such as Spotify or Netflix. The second way to open the App Store is from the middle row on the home screen. Scroll all the way to the right until you see the icon with 3 squares and a plus sign. Select it, then choose App Store. Once the App Store loads, browse Categories or Featured Apps. Select the app you want, then choose Get to download it. After installation, select Open to launch the app. To open apps later, return to the home screen and find them in your app list or app library. So that's basically how you can download apps on Fire TV Stick. That's it for this video. Thanks!